Hello viewers, welcome again on board at lesson 2, still with our 2021 mathematics paper 2 revision. That is by the Beacon Master. So welcome on board and thank you very much for tuning in to our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing knowledge, and thank you for standing with the program. So to our viewers and students at large, at number 10, we're still helping you to revise 2021 mathematics paper 2. What a question here for us. So the question reads, a point P xy is mapped onto P bar x1 y1 by successive transformations m1 negative 1 2 3 followed by n 1 1 negative 1 2. Determine the single transformation matrix that would map P bar onto P. That is, we are mapping an image back to the object. So guys, we need to sit back, digest the question and be able to see what it requires or the expectation of the examiner on us. So coming to solution, guys, what is it that the examiner is testing of us here? So here, the first thing I would want us to do is to get a single transformation. Under successive transformation, we can combine the two to get a single transformation matrix that would still map the object back to the object straight to the image. So we are going to multiply n by m, the two matrices of transformation. We want to combine them to get one rather than doing it successively. We want just to combine the two and we get one general or one combination of the nm. So that is 1 1 negative 1 2 by that of m 1 negative 1 2 3. So row column. So 1 by 1 1 by 2 to give us the first element. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1 times 2 is 2, that is 3. Then 1 by negative 1, 1 by 3, row column. So negative 1 plus 3, negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Coming down, row column. So row column. So negative 1 plus 4 is 3. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. So one single transformation matrix, instead of using m separately and n separately, or m followed by n, then we can combine the two to get one single transformation of the two. So now we are being asked to get a single transformation matrix that would be used to map the image back to the object, and therefore that is the reverse of this. So we are going to get the inverse matrix of the transformation or of the transformation matrix of the matrix of transformation. So our matrix of transformation, here it is. So how are we going to get the inverse? So the aspect of inverse we are all aware. I think we have done that. Another video is on our YouTube channel, and so we should use this as revision. So getting the inverse, the first thing we look for the determinant, and the determinant we know leading diagonal minus minor diagonal, products of the elements in leading diagonal minus those of the minor diagonal. So the leading diagonals here, the leading diagonal here is 21 minus, that is 3 times 7 minus 6. So we shall get 15. So going straight to our inverse, so inverse becomes 1 over that times the conjugate matrix times the conjugate matrix. So what is 1 over that? That is going to be 1 over 15 by... So how do we get conjugate matrix, guys? Come on. You can remember. So we interchange the elements in the leading diagonal. So we shall have 7, 3. That is, we swap the 2. 3 takes the position of 7 as 7 takes that of 3. So then the other numbers, we only give them opposite signs. So they become negative. They were all positive and therefore they now become negative. So please, like I said in the first video, don't leave your answer here. Break through. So we shall have 7 over 15. We are multiplying every number by 1 over 15. Negative 2 over 15. This is negative 3 over 15 and 3 over 15. So we don't need to leave our fractions unsimplified. So finally, we shall rest at, of course, 7 over 15 cannot be simplified. Negative 2 over 15 shall still remain. But here, we shall have negative a fifth because 3 goes into 15 5 times. Likewise, at the last element. So that becomes the matrix of transformation that can now be used to map back the image onto the object. So very easy. Like I always tell my learners, please study the mind of the examiner. Read through, read in between the lines and be able to see or understand what is expected of you. So what is equation? You can't afford to lose these marks under matrices and transformations. That is our unit 1 in form 4. So let's study, let's do 1, let's do 2, let's do 3, and then we become a master. So thank you very much, guys. Like I always say, at New Yankees, we stand with our learners to support them when they need us the most. And like they requested us to help them go through the 2021 mathematics paper, paper 2, that is, here we are walking the talk. So reach Mr. Peter at 0720 968517. Then it shall never be the same. It shall never be the same in your life, your academic life. Thank you very much, guys. Subscribe, share, and like.